So most of you are asking about what we have to do actually in the Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship. Please prepare a guide about this program. We are not knowing anything how to proceed further. So here is the video for all of you. Let's come directly to the dashboard. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video so that you are able to get these kind of opportunities which we cover in the channel. So we are in the dashboard of the virtual internship of the Infosys Springboard Internship 7.0. Now here, what are the things you must be doing about it? Let me just brief about it. Currently, I think the registration process is closed, so you need to stay tuned in the channel for getting all these updates as soon as they are released. Now, for the people who have already applied in this opportunity, okay, now what they have to do, let me just explain you. So here, once you have filled the form, means nomination form and selected the technology stack, okay, now you have to complete particular courses. For example, if you have selected AI, you have to click on AI. Whether you have selected Python, you have to click on Python. Data visualization, Java. Similarly, you have to just like this, you have to click on it. You can see multiple courses are there. Okay, multiple courses are there. Similarly, if I just open data visualization, you can see multiple courses are there. Now, what you have to do, you have to just open these courses. For example, just click on it. Okay, and here you'll find let me just minimize it. You'll find all the details regarding it. It will include all the courses, basics of data. Mostly it contains videos and assignments. After you completed all the things, you'll have to give a short question answer assignment. Maybe there will be some hands-on training also, and you have to complete all the things. Similarly, you can see there are multiple courses out here. You can see these are the courses. You can just move like this and see all these courses are there. You have to complete all these courses, then you'll be able to complete the module under data visualization. Similarly, if you have selected Java, means the tech stack, you can just complete all the, wait a second. Let me just select. Okay, it is selected. So you have to just complete all the courses listed over here. If you have selected any of the courses, for example, AI also, you have to complete all the things like this. Means you have to complete the courses. You have to open the course first of all by clicking on it, and then you have to start the curriculum. You have to read all the things, watch the videos, and do all the assessments. And after that, you'll be able to move to the next step. Now here, what will happen once you have completed all the things? You have already filled the nomination form. Once you have completed all the things, you have to complete entire thing before 5th of May. So it is on first come first serve basis. So if you have completed uh, all the thing before 5th of May and more number of people have completed after you, then chances of your selection will increase. You'll be getting a notification that you have been selected for the internship and all the details will be shared to you. To be eligible for the internship, you have to complete the courses. You can see whenever you open, you can see this is the time duration. It does not mean that it will take this much time for you to complete. Depending on your skill set, you can complete it earlier also. Okay, this is the maximum time required to complete these particular courses. So you have time, you can start your journey and complete all the things. So if you still have any doubts, now I think this is sufficient for you to understand for completing the courses how to do. You have to simply open the course and just watch these videos mostly. So I'm not opening it because video will play and it is not perfect. So I'm not opening. Okay. Now here we have covered this particular thing. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Now coming over here to the channel directly, you can see multiple opportunities are live on the channel. From here you can see multiple events are also live. From there, just watch the videos, understand about the events and participate in all these events. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.